basically, the whole career in public services can be classified into few major categories. So first is All India Services. So there are three All India Services: Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Forest Service. So basically, for these three services, the recruitment is done by UPSC, but the officers work under the respective state cadre. So the recruitment is done at central level, but they work under the relevant state cadres.
जो बच्चे जो मेंबर्स पब्लिक सर्विस में अपना अटेम्प्ट करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए क्या संदेश है सर आपका?
During CA preparation time, which will help them later while preparing for civil services. So one thing is they should start following current affairs, at least develop a habit of reading newspaper and keeping updated with the contemporary issues. So because in our CA course, the linkages of exam with current affairs is very less. It's largely static and only to some extent current issues are asked, but not it does not require you to be very up to date with all kind of current issues.
सो नमस्कार सीए साथियों, आज हम पॉडकास्ट विद आरआर के अगले एपिसोड में हमारे बीच में सीए राघव महेश्वरी जी, जो कि असिस्टेंट जनरल मैनेजर है आईबीपीआई में. आई वेलकम सीए राघव महेश्वरी जी टू द पॉडकास्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग हियर एंड स्पेयरिंग योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम. विल बी हैविंग अ quick chit chat with you on certain questions which are relevant for our stakeholders. So my first question to you: after becoming chartered accountant, what inspired you to move towards public service and governance?
So, before becoming CA itself, when I was in school time, I had aspired to get into civil services. But then, when I interacted with some of the senior people who have already prepared for the examination, so I realized that the success rate and the kind of unpredictability in the civil services examination is very high. So, I was suggested that you should do a good degree which has a very reliable career as a backup option. So, and in my family, there were few chartered accountants who were doing very well. So, I decided to pursue CA first and then start preparing for civil services so that it will help me as a good backup also. Plus, when I interacted with few of the working civil servants, they said, being a CA will help you in your whole career because being a CA will give you an edge in understanding finance, accounts, and overall public policy in a better manner. So CA helped me to work well in service, and when I was preparing, it gave me a mental comfort that even if I could not succeed in the exam, I have a good backup option for my life.
Right, sir. Could you highlight the major opportunities available for chartered accountants in public service or the regulatory bodies or the governance part, sir?
Yeah, sure. So basically, the whole career in public services can be classified into few major categories. So first is All India Services. So there are three All India Services: Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Forest Service. So basically, for these three services, the recruitment is done by UPSC, but the officers work under the respective state cadre. So the recruitment is done at central level, but they work under the relevant state cadres. So in that, CS are eligible for IAS and IPS, not for forest services. Then there are various central civil services group A. So for which the recruitment is done by UPSC through civil services examination, like Indian Revenue Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Audit and Account Service, and there are various such services. Then the third category is other central group A services. So the recruitment is done by UPSC, but through other examination, not through the same civil services examination, like Indian Cost Account Service, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, EPFO department, ESIC department. So these all are group A services recruited by UPSC, but they have a separate examination. Then there are state civil services which work under the main All India services at the state level. So Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, Rajasthan Public Service Commission. Then there are regulatory bodies, statutory bodies. So like Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, IBBI, where I am working, National Financial Regulatory Authority. So all these are statutory authorities, and they function under the parent ministry's overall guidance. And then the last section is PSUs. So PSUs, though they are independent corporations, but due to the government shareholding, they form part of the larger public sector. And the people working in PSUs are eligible for many posts to apply in government on deputation.
Right.
So this is the full spectrum of the career prospects available in public sector for chartered accountants.
Great, sir. So right from UPSC the main services, then the special services, then the regulatory body, and then the PSUs.
Yes.
So you can make your career in various public departments in such a way, and you should be
Yes.
aware of what is happening and wherever the vacancies are.
Yes.
So one more question I would like to ask
Yes.
कि जो बच्चे जो मेंबर्स पब्लिक सर्विस में अपना अटेम्प्ट करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए क्या संदेश है सर आपका अगर
So, I would like to recommend few tips to them, which or few habits which they should develop during CA preparation time, which will help them later while preparing for civil services. So one thing is they should start following current affairs at least, and at least develop a habit of reading newspaper and keeping updated with the contemporary issues. So because in our CA course, the linkages of exam with current affairs is very less. It's largely static, and only to some extent current issues are asked, but not. It does not require you to be very up to date with all kind of current issues. But having a habit of reading newspapers and following important developments will help you in prepare for civil services. Second important habit for CA student which I would recommend is that they should focus on the macro view of the things. In CA, sir, we are specialists.
right
So we focus on the details of each and everything. So for example, if government comes out with amendments in taxation, so we know each and every section where the deduction is available. But we should also be aware about the policy issue that why the deduction was given to promote savings or to promote development of a particular area or to promote a particular sector. So that macro view of the economy will help while preparing for UPSC. So our approach in CA is of micro view and the detailed orientation. But we should also develop a macro view and a generalist orientation for the civil services examination preparation.
great sir my last question to you sir since you being here any suggestion to the institute for the betterment of the profession what we are doing sir
So, before giving any suggestion, I would first of all like to congratulate and thank you for increasing the quantum of efforts that have been taken by the committee for promoting students into the public services. I have been observing that in last few days, a lot of initiatives has been taken by the committee, particularly for information dissemination and tie-ups with the institutes for affordable coaching institutes for the students.
Sir.
So one more thing which I would like to request you is if we can develop a kind of mentorship module for the students, because hundreds of CAs are working in civil services. If we can connect them with the students who aspire to be a civil servant, then the institute will act like a bridge between the aspirants and the working bureaucrats.
right
And this will help develop the next generation of civil servants with the values which the institute promotes among its members. So that would be my suggestion to the institute.
we'll certainly do it thank you so much for sharing your valuable insights and I am sure the viewers will be benefited by your journey on behalf of everyone watching this podcast and listening to us my sincere thanks to each one of you and of course my thanks to Raghav sir for sparing your valuable time and coming to the podcast so congratulations sir thank you so much
Thanks a lot. Thank you.